I think we're gonna blow some minds today. Gabe, are you ready to have your mind blown?
I am.
Okay, last week we did something that I have not gotten out of my head. We were playing around with our new candy paints, and we applied yellow candy, our lemon drop candy, over ZTS Hypershift, and it completely changed everything about it. The shifting, the colors, the tones, the hues, it looked like a totally different pearl, and I told Gabe, we've got to do more of this. We want to focus on yellow candy for two reasons. One, a lot of the other candies are probably going to immediately cover any of the hypershifts. Like if you put black candy or red candy on any of these in front of you, it's probably just going to drown them out and you won't see much of that shift. So yellow is translucent enough to allow those pearls to survive, but with that color change on top. The second reason is if this works, we want to do a whole nother series with probably orange and blue. So we're focusing on yellow. So this is the lemon drop candy over a carbon silver base. It's unbelievable. And I know you're asking, well, what pearls are we dropping lemon drop candy on top of? Let me show you. The first, ZRG. This is an incredible hypershift. It's that prototype one. Greens, oranges, reds. I have no idea what the yellow is going to do. I'm excited. Then we've got Cosmic Crush. Not a hypershift, but one of our most popular all-time color shifts. Then we had to throw it in there. Hyper Holographic. I've never seen candy paint over a holographic pearl before, and we are going to see it today. Then we've got X2. We wanted something in that really deep purpley blue kind of vibe. X2 is perfect for that. It's an interference pearl, believe it or not. Super saturated. Then we've got ZTK because we wanted something deep, bold, and powerful. This is red, green, and some golds, right?
Yeah.
We wanted some colors that the yellow candy was going to contrast against, and we also wanted some colors that the yellow candy would work with. Now, the last one, not sure how this is going to go, ZBP, which is our purple to black hypershift. We did increase the pigment load a little bit on this, so we can get some of those kind of extreme greens out there. So out of all 6 of these, yellow candy going on top, anything you've got your eye on?
Oh yeah.
Which one?
Hyper Hollow.
Yeah, I mean, me too. But I'm really excited to see what it does. We got work to do. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I cannot wait to show you how these samples came out. Some of them you're gonna look and say, okay, that definitely makes sense. And some you're gonna go, there's no freaking way those are the same pearls. This lemon drop candy totally changes everything about how these shifts look. Now, I want you to take a good look at them, leave a comment below, and let me know which one is your favorite, which one surprised you the most. And if you want us to run this series again with a different color candy, let us know. There's 5 of them in total. And if you want to play with any of our paints, peelable or permanent, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Everything is there for you in one place. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.